CoWork isn't just an AI chat. It's actually one of your employees that you can put to work. So guys, this is Sanil and welcome back to my channel, The Nutkarnis. So today we are going to learn on how Claude CoWork works, the capability it has that can unlock real value. Now, if you are an individual or a business, you can use Claude CoWork to unleash a lot of benefits. So guys, let's get started. If you're running a business, or let's say you are a student or a professional working somewhere, you guys are using AI completely wrong. All what you're doing is asking a questions and then probing it and asking more questions to get a relevant answer. Now in this transit, what you all do is you end up spending 90% of the time responding to AI, right? So the AI itself is not doing really anything for you. So that's when Claude CoWork comes in. Now CoWork, unlike any other, has access not only to your browsers, but have access to a lot of your computer as well. So Claude AI is not only for a developer. Claude, unlike any other, has ability to analyze your data, analyze your content, create emails, send emails, and can do a lot of workflows on your browser too. Now think about it, guys. If you are a professional, you're using ChatGPT. What you're really doing is you're interacting with the chatbot. It doesn't really do any of your real life use cases. But Claude CoWork, on the other side, is able to do a lot of work for you. Now, if you look at Perplexity can do a lot of stuff for you, where it has got connectors and can do a lot of stuff on the browser, but it is not able to do a lot of stuff on your computer. Let's say Mac. Now, Claude has a limitation as of today as I speak. It can be only worked on a Mac, and thankfully I've got a Mac, so I'm able to test it out. Now MacBook, it has got a very deep integration and it's able to read my files and folders as well. And that's where, folks, the magic lies. It's able to do a lot of work for you within your computer, so you don't have to do those actions. So Claude CoWork can not only build applications, it can really create documents for you. If you are in a management, it can also do a lot of workflows on your browser. It can also create and organize your files. Now that is pretty unique, which I saw in Claude. Now, without further ado, let's work on the top use case for Claude CoWork that we will be watching in this video. We'll be using Claude CoWork and deploying 3 use cases that'll really help you automate your life and use Claude CoWork as your employee. So folks, let's dive in. So folks, now we will do the first use case of organizing folders. So there we go. We come on this cloud and go to CoWork. Now you select any folder that you want. Let's say this is my startup book project. I create this project and I say, hey, organize the files and folders. And that's about it. And say, let's go. And that's where the magic happens. It's now able to organize. You see what's happened is I've got this kind of a clumsy, so many documents and files and folders all over the place. And now what I'm doing is I'm trying to say, hey, by category, yeah. And there you go. That's where the magic is happening, right? It starts organizing your files by category. It has now got access to your file system. So using a structured approach, it's basically running the bash codes and commands at the background, and it is able to run it quite well. It has got all of this together. Now let's go and see. Yeah, there you go. It's able to draft all my startup book project in a very clean fashion, right? It's got my drafts here, it's got my legal agreements here, and so on and so forth. So that was, guys, the first use case where it has now got access to your computer and on the file system. So folks, now let's look at the second use case. So now let's look at a second use case whereby I have got all these leads fictitious that I've created. If you see, it has got the company name, it has got the name, the email address, the phone number, and the status on how many are negotiated, how many are leads, and follow up on next quarter and value. What we do is we go here on CoWork and we kind of add a file, okay, a spreadsheet. Let's take this file here. Okay, leads list. Get me details around who is the highest paying lead. Also let me know how many are still in negotiation and timeline. All right, so that's when the magic begins. Okay, now it is able to analyze the leads. It's to answer the question. Now let's start. It has already uploaded the file and has already started reading the file, right? There you go. It's got the highest paying leads. Yeah, it's given me the value, the leads which are in negotiation, the timelines. Yeah, can you give me a detailed report? Yes. There you go. It's able to now analyze your file so that, and once it analyzes, right, it reads everything for you and it remembers, right? And now can give you a detailed, let's say, negotiation pipeline in PPT. Now it's able to even convert this into a good PowerPoint presentation and can give us that presentation back to us. So you don't need to really convert that lead status into a PPT. Now, if you want to show it to your managers and to your bosses, the PPT is all ready. So let's wait till the PPT kind of comes up. Okay, folks, now by the time this guy is working on something, let's create a new one. Create a post on LinkedIn on how cool is Claude. Okay, there you go. And I click, it's starting the agent, sending the request. Let me ask a few questions. Okay, so as we speak, it's already asking, yeah, for professional productivity boost. Okay, go ahead and post it on LinkedIn website. Okay, it's so the way Claude works is Claude has an extension on Chrome. Okay, it doesn't work on any other browser. It only works on Claude Chrome browser. So you need to install an extension first and only then it'll work, right? So now if you see, I have got my hands off. It is going on my LinkedIn website. It's already gone there. It is trying to navigate file. Yeah, there you go. It's got onto the post. Now it will, I'm sure, paste the post here. Yeah, there you go. It's already got my post. There you go. And all what I need to do is just click on the post and there you go. So it's able to do another task of actually posting content on LinkedIn. Now, meanwhile, let's go back to our PPT. Now, what we did here, to remind you again, we kind of analyzed. I uploaded a file, which is the lead list, and say, hey, get me the detail around who's the highest paying leads. Also, let me know how many are in negotiation and what are the timeline. It did give us fair bit of understanding of highest paying leads and all these details. But then I said, hey, convert this into PPT. And there you go. It has got this beautiful PPT all ready for me. Now let's together go and see. Wow, this looks amazing, guys. Wow, this is really nice. I think I'm super impressed. Now all you need to do is just copy paste this and send it to your bosses. So guys, I hope you liked the 3 use cases that we did along with you with Claude CoWork. Now it's time that we move away from chat to more execution, to more autonomous way of working. So folks, if you like my video, please hit subscribe button and also please comment on any of the use cases that you guys are working with Claude. So that will help us as well as our community to learn the use cases that you are working on. So folks, till such time, have a good day. Bye-bye.